I made that mark on it, but it doesn't matter because it's going to... So many barriers. Just like I bought one. Woohoo! Two holes it is.